Hey, it's Sam here, and welcome to this demo and overview of Content Studio. Now, this lets you find content that you could post constantly to social media on complete autopilot, or you can find specific content and post it yourself. You can post to Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn on complete autopilot, and you can also connect up blogs, one of your blogs using WordPress, Tumblr, or Medium as well. So you can do custom blog posts. Now, what it is it basically lets you find hot, engaging content that's either relevant to your niche or just any content that you want on the web, and you can target it down quite specifically, and you can have it automatically post to it as well. So let's take a look at just the basic search function first to kick things off. So here we are. As you can see, it's already set to trending, so it's found some of the hottest content on the internet from the last 7 days. You can customize this out to be, within a certain hours, certain days, all that sorts of stuff. You can also narrow it down to certain regions within the world, different languages for those of you who are using this for multilingual purposes, and of course we can find the most popular depending on how it's most shared, Facebook shared, all that sorts of stuff in terms of how viral it can go. Now this is just general web content. You can search YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, Imgur, Giphy, and Pixabay as well to be able to find content that's relevant from a platform that's relevant to you. Now we can search up using keywords, so we can pull up results as well as if we want, and then to be able to share this, it's just as simple as going down here. We can see the stats, Twitter influencers. We just go to share this post. We can also add it to favorites or save it for later use. So if I go share this post, I choose social media or blog, depending on what I want it to go to. So if I want it to go to social media, I've synced up my Facebook. I can choose between my profile or my pages, and if you run a group, you can have a group in there too. So you can fully select what you want this to post out to. Okay, it previews the post here. It's going to be the Twitter post. If I went over to Facebook here, it'll show the Facebook version as well and the Twitter version, so you can see what it's going to appear as. It does allow you to be able to just select hashtags on the go that's going to get traffic to. You can either post it instantly, schedule it in for later, or add it to a queue. Okay, of things to post, so when you feel like it, you can jump on and queue it. So this is quite easy. It's quite cool too. You can save your favorite topics, add topics and favorites as well, so you can easily quick fire get stuff out. Now, where the real value in this is probably the automation section. So if we go over to we got a planner as well, so we can see what's coming up and everything like that as well. But if we go into automation, we can choose articles to social media, videos to social media, articles to blog, videos to blog. So let's go new campaign for articles to social media. I'm going to call this demo 1 and click next. Okay, next step, we just select what we want it to go to. So I'll just say my Twitter and my Facebook, go next. Now, here's where it gets real interesting. Include keywords. So let's just say Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very hot right now. If I put in Bitcoin, what I like here is on the right, keyword suggestions pop up in instant time. So we've got a whole bunch of different keywords that could potentially bring us some real cool, content. So if I put that in, it previews some of the content that is available. You can include domains if you're after it off specific news sources, and again, you can exclude keywords and domains. Okay, so once we've done this, you can start to specify, hone it right down into what you need it to be, and have it already. You can put calls to action, things like that over it as well, and also add in hashtags. Once we've done that, simple as clicking next. We can schedule it to go out every 3 hours, or we can customize the dates and times it goes out, or we can just get stuff that gets queued up. So if you go to recurring, you can choose how many you want every single day. So if we want 2 things today, run this campaign continuously. Awesome, we click next. And then from here, we can choose if we want to review content before it's published, so we can just be sure. And once you've done that, you hit done, and it all goes out on autopilot. So very, very simple. So that is it. Basically overview, we got training, the planner, you can just see what's all coming out. You can also see what's under review before you approve it, and you can also see what's rejected and things like that in case you want to go through and find something that may be borderline that is now fine and added in too. So that's how quick and easy it is to use the Content Studio to find content, post it to all your profiles very quickly, easily, and on complete autopilot as well. So check it out down below on this bonus page for a full feature list to get a full overview of Content Studio. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you this today, and we wish you all your success with this software.